guys, happy Friday. Today I wanted to do a mini video to share something a little bit different with you, and this is kind of a add-on to my holiday gift guide that I put out a couple of weeks ago. And I think this would be a perfect last minute gift if you're looking for something special. If you're needing some ideas, or if you just want to see some ideas for yourself, definitely stick around and watch this video. With the holidays coming up just a few days away, I know that there are probably plenty of us out there who are looking for last minute gifts and want to get something like meaningful for our loved ones. Or this may even be a good idea for someone who is going to do a holiday or a New Year's proposal. I recently got a ring from the brand She Said Yes. They make really beautiful, affordable rings that are perfect for like a special gift for someone or a proposal or anything like that, or if you just want to get it for yourself. You guys know how much I love rings, and this is one that I thought was really unique and different, so I thought that I would share it with you guys as a last minute idea in case you're looking for something. So this ring is called the Never Be Apart ring. The one that I have is a 1.5 carat oval cut. It's in 10 karat gold with a brown stone, which I think is really special and different. The brand is called She Said Yes, and they make really gorgeous rings for pretty much every special occasion. And one of the reasons that I love this ring is that it's really simple and elegant, but it also has that timeless look. It's one of those pieces that you could wear with any outfit at any age. You could even pass it down within your family if you wanted to. And I think it's really just a gift that shows you put a lot of thought into it and wanted to get something special, but it's still very wearable on a daily basis. So with this ring in particular, the first thing that you notice is the oval stone in the center. Because it's an oval stone, it's a really classic shape and it has that vintage sort of look, so it really gives soft and elegant rather than being too trendy, which means that it's going to be a piece that you want to wear forever, even as your style develops or changes. The way that the stone is cut, it catches the light really beautifully. The one that I got is a brown stone, and I think it's so unique. I don't have any other ring that has this color stone, and it actually in certain lights gives like a purple tint, which I think is really cool as well, and just something that I've never seen before. And then along the sides of the center stone you have some smaller stones running along the band, so they're really subtle, but they add some dimension to the ring. Especially when the light hits from the side, you can really see them and notice the difference that they make. I think it gives the ring depth without making it feel too busy, and still lets the brown oval stone be the focal point. And they do have other colors of stones. You can really customize this and mix and match, so you can change all of the stone colors and make it the style that you want. For the combination that I got, I think what makes it really special is the brown stone being paired with the 10 karat gold. I think it has this really warm, almost vintage sort of feel to it. It's just a very cozy look, it's a very moody look, and it just feels really different from the typical like clear stone, but it still has that very timeless look to it. And something that I don't hear a lot of people talk about when they talk about jewelry in particular is like the comfort of the piece. And I think that this ring is actually surprisingly very wearable. It's not too bulky and it doesn't snag on things. You guys know I do tons of work with my hands with my projects and DIYs, so I'm very conscious of how wearable my rings are. This is definitely one that you could keep on doing most of your projects and really not even notice that it's there or be bothered by it in any way. With this combination, the warmth of the brown tone and the gold band really just fit the holiday season, and they give that warm, cozy, wintry sort of vibe. And if you are interested in getting a ring for one of your loved ones this year, She Said Yes is doing a bunch of sales and promotions right now, so it's the perfect time to look, especially with the holidays so close. So they're taking 15% off of everything on their website, and they also have a lot of like gift rewards, so when you buy a certain amount of things you get certain rewards, and they have everything from like a tote bag all the way to a flower jewelry box or even like a diamond ring. There's a lot of perks that they're offering right now with the holiday season going on. And then on top of that, they did give us a discount code for 15% off, so you can add that to it and get a really good savings if you wanted to get a last minute gift or a ring for a holiday proposal. So I'll put the discount code on the screen for you guys so that you could use that if you're interested. Hopefully this help someone if you're looking for some ideas, you need something really special, thought out, but only have a short amount of time to make it happen. And especially with jewelry, I know it can be really overwhelming to pick different styles and sizes and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully being able to see this combination and all the other versions that you can do help make your decision a little bit easier. I'll link all their information in the description box for you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in just a couple days on Sunday for a really fun DIY that we're going to be doing.